Hey! Hi friends, let's draw a very cute girl holding a watermelon. Let's draw her face first. Her hair's her cute little hands holding a big watermelon piece. She holds a big watermelon in her tiny hands. She wears a cute hairband with a bow. Please do stay with me till the end and watch me complete this sweet drawing. Her ears. Her tiny smiling lips. Cute eyes for watermelon. Her dress. Her big cute eyes. I'll try to make her eyes more adorable by adding little details to it. Please subscribe if you like my drawing. Let's draw little eyelashes. Don't you think she looks cute? Oh wow, she holds a balloon. Stars. Let's color. Pink color for the bow and balloon. Green color for her hairband. Her cute little pink cheeks. Her beautiful cute eyes with black. Her pink dress. Color the watermelon rosy red. Let's color her hair brown. She's got gorgeous golden brown hair. Thank you for watching.